welcome back to my Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Elliott Wave Green. Here we are presenting analysis for a very small fees so that you guys can support me and I can feel a little more passionate about the stuff too. Not that I don't, but it actually is so that I can create a large a part of my income from here, and then we can put some more time on analysis. That's the main reason. So in today's video, we are going to continue our analysis. We'll look at the commodity currencies, and we'll look at platinum and silver and gold. There are some very interesting opportunities coming on. I'll also be explaining some price action that's expected in gold and silver, so that when that happens, you won't get upset, or at least you know what's the background of that price action. There is going to be an analysis about Bitcoin. I'll put on YouTube, I think today. So if you guys are interested in Bitcoin, that will be available on YouTube. A wider audience I will use to present my services so that more and more people can join our Patreon. Enough of the talking. We're going to discuss Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. We'll look at platinum and silver and gold. Platinum is presenting its own opportunity, so it's necessary if you want to look at into it, and gold and silver definitely are there presenting their own opportunity. I'm going to explain some price action right over here too. And Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and Canadian dollar, take a pick. They're also together as a group are presenting a trading opportunity. Let's start with Australian dollar first of all. Let me delete all that. Let me go to the hourly time frame right over here too. And what I wanted to put you guys in, we are expecting a huge move, not a huge but good enough to be traded. We have seen this price movement, and I can explain it to you what it is. This is basically zigzag, and this is A, B, and C, which is W. This is W, this is X, and this is another zigzag. It's a double three price structure that we are seeing, and we can see that Australian dollar has reversed. This reversal will continue, and we are expecting a move as long as this one. When prices move further down, and then you can actually bring your stop loss closer, so that if the reversal happens, then you are at least on the neutral zone, not only this. So I'm expecting some stronger move in this direction right over here too, and in this region somewhere right over here too. And I'm expecting that if you keep an eye, all these moves, this one and this one is approximately equal. We'll look at into it. I'm expecting that we can actually draw this proportion right over here too from the top, and we can actually take right over here too. This is going to be our target zone. So it's a nice interesting pricing setup that we are seeing. Price if price can, it's not a necessity that price would make a U-turn right over here too. Just for the sake of guidance, that's what I'm doing. Price can actually go a little deeper, all right, and it will give us an indication. Use your own method if you have one for exiting the trade. But this is definitely Australian dollar is going down further. I indicated that to you guys on my updated analysis that was posted on Monday. New Zealand dollar, once again I have position actually in Canadian dollar. I will discuss that too. So New Zealand dollar is going to be doing exactly same thing, and I'm expecting that we are going to continue downward. Nothing has changed in that. And if you guys, once again, I think the pattern is still same. This is W, and A, B, and C is X, and this is Y. So W, X, Y, a double three structure is happened here right over here, and we are heading downward. You can use your stop loss right over here, and the price is expected to go downward. You can measure this whole length and feature it downward, and that should be one guideline. There is a possibility that price can actually move quite down a bit. We'll keep an close eye on the structures, on the support levels, to give us an indication. All right, and Canadian dollar is giving us some good price movement. We have seen once again the same structure, only a little bit tilted. We have this structure in the middle, which is a flat correction. This is a zigzag correction, and this is another zigzag correction. So we have zigzag, double zigzag, a flat correction, single zigzag, double three structure. The prices came down and now retesting. We can see that it's going up. So Canadian dollar, as our forecast is going on, is expected to go up. The bounce has happened quite nicely in a smaller. Let me, if I can click it. What the hell? What's wrong with this thing? All right, let's try this one. Yeah, maybe I think that's a price level or something. So you guys can see that this level is important right over here. We can see the reversal. This is also the top of a previous structure as well, giving us an indication that this is going to go on for a good while before it will make noise. Once again, you guys can measure this whole swing and add it to from this bottom and see how long it goes. And once again, stop loss could be used right over here too. Any further price is not a good idea. If you want to put a stop loss any further down, the trade would not be a good idea. And as soon as prices move away from here, you can actually bring your stop loss right over here, making sure that the price actually goes beyond the previous top right over here too. In that case, you guys can bring right over here and wait it out and see how it goes, and that'll be a very good trading setup. Platinum is an interesting price behavior. I'm expecting a sharper move downward in platinum, something like this. All right, there is a possibility that we might actually see a target. Yeah, I think it's a better idea to keep the target right over here too. This is our target zone for platinum. Initially it can actually further go down, but initially our target is in this area. For sake of um, for sake of clarity and to make sure that you want to actually take that trade, it would be a good idea if we can actually cross this area, but this area is quite far away right from over here. So take a precautionary measure. I'm expecting a U-turn right over here too, and the target is expected to be 928. This is about $70 away from the top right we have here too. So use a method whatever you want. I've just given you guys a next swing downward is expected in platinum. It's also a very good trade setup. It's independent of gold and silver. It's independent of commodity markets. Platinum is moving in a different in a bit of different wave. The largest trend stays downward, but it's in a little bit off from gold and silver. Gold, we are going to see some price action. I wanted to notify you guys. We have seen a clear price movement downward. If you guys are uh, downward from the top right over here too, there is expected to be a move upward in silver. I'm expecting that once the prices come down right over here, making a flat correction right over here, I'm expecting that we will see 5-wave structure basically. So I'm considering this as wave A, this as wave B, and this is the wave C. Wave C is expected to be a little deeper. I'm expecting a clear 5-wave structure, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, and this is what I was trying to explain to you guys. That 5-wave structure, do not get tempted by that 5-wave structure. If that happens, there is a possibility that we have seen this price movement and we can actually go sideways right from here too. Nothing is indicating, because in order to go deeper we have to break a very important support, and then go in this zone. All right, so a 5-wave structure is expected downward, upward in silver. The main trend still stays bearish. I updated you guys on Monday that I have turned bearish now, and things are looking very ugly for now. Once again, the yearly cycle, I'm not seeing 2022 to be a bearish cycle, bearish year, but for now, at least the prices are heading downward. So if you guys want to do this opportunity, however you want, go ahead. We have a very good price movement in gold. Gold, the structure as you guys are looking at it is incomplete. Right now, the structure seems incomplete to me at least. What's gonna happen? Can we actually see the prices go down right from over here and then go up? It seems less likely, however, because the structure is yet not complete. Sometime it does happen that we will see. Give me a moment. Sometime it does happen that we'll see a single price movement like this one. You can consider it as a zigzag starting from right over here too, or in extreme cases we can consider it as wave A and wave B and wave C of an expanded flat. But this is a very ugly looking price movement. In total, I'm expecting that whenever this correction is complete right over here, and we're going to discuss the larger swing that you're expecting in gold will continue downward, and there is a possibility right over here too. and that is that we have completed wave A right over here. Wave B is complete right over here. This is wave 1, and this is going to be wave 2. This will go wave 3, and then we'll see wave 4 and wave 5. In that case, if you guys see that, do not get worried. That will be still part of, if you guys miss the trend downward, and I did miss the trend. I caught it from on the Monday when I told you guys I changed my position, and we have seen nice price movement downward. But right now, since we have already completed a 5F structure downward, I'm expecting that we are going to see a if you guys are seeing some overlapping, consider it as a leading diagonal. Excuse me, my throat is still not fixed and I'm coughing like crazy. So the main point I wanted to bring you guys here is that our bearish price movement in gold is yet not complete. We are expected some correction right over here too, and I've already told you guys the correction is A, B, and C. A 5F structure is expected, which is wave 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, and that should be used to go bearish. So the main trend stays bearish. For Bitcoin, if you guys are interested in Bitcoin, I'm going to make a quick commentary on Bitcoin Bitcoin about on YouTube. I want to inform people that we have an updated analysis on gold and silver, so I'll use that opportunity over there. Wish you good luck with your trading. See you again. Have a good one, and bye bye.